Okay, here's the thing. Everyone join.
Wait, let me grab my phone.
Are you
so I can
screencasting?
just-
Yes. I'll take it too.
You,
Is that allowed?
No.
Can
It is
you not
not.
it?
I think
that
it is allowed.
No, but I don't want her to take it because she knows what the answer is.
I might honestly have forgotten them.
Okay, 8, 9.
Okay, is that everyone? There's only 7 of us.
This is so dope. I'm so happy I'm like doing this really fast. Oh no, I'm gonna suck at this.
What is the capital of Utah? I know that.
Oh, I'm not in it. Well,
Oh, sorry.
it's all good. As long as you have 5 people. You have 7 people.
Oh, that was fast.
Wow, we were speedy. Okay, it only gets
I
harder
didn't
from here,
know
people.
that. I know it was the last.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh.
That's New
That's
Mexico.
New Mexico.
New Mexico's land of enchantment.
It's my
That's
favorite state.
so
Like,
fun.
I love it. It's my favorite state slogan.
Yeah, you're winning.
Oh dear.
The national park is not in Utah. Was it gonna say Yellowstone? No.
Oh. This.
The capital. Oh, Rocky Mountain National Park's behind Utah.
Yeah. I was like, I'm pretty sure
got you
Capitol
guys.
Reef is here.
Capitol Reef is Rocky Mountains in Colorado.
Oh.
What?
Wait.
It's later.
I'm guessing that. I could be so off.
They're all like close.
48th is Oklahoma.
Dang it.
One off.
Guessed wrong.
Ooh, something in my tail. With a little fire.
State
It's
Troy.
changed. Didn't it change in the past like 2 years or something?
I don't know. This is just what the first website
I
told me.
don't know. I'm pretty sure I got that wrong.
It used to be. Yeah, it used to be.
I got that one right. I'm so proud of myself.
Thanks, guys.
Still got
Look, I won.
Wow, shocker.